I represent an association of priests called the Priests for the Restoration of Catholic Life. Myself and another bishop founded this association last year, and we affectionately speak of dumpster diving for priests, because so many dioceses are throwing good priests out, priests who have a bright future, but not under their leadership or under their tutelage. And so, to date, we have been successful at helping 9 priests, and we have many more that we are in contact with. But that is not what this lecture is about. This lecture is a commentary on a letter that we wrote entitled An Open Letter to Men of Goodwill. You can probably already tell that I will make mistakes in my pronunciation. I will sometimes stumble over my words. I'm not going to edit any of this. I think you would rather have a little bit of stumbling and maybe some misspoken words rather than a polished expose of heresy. If you would rather have that polished expose, then it's out there. I also ask that you really listen to the content. Don't worry, again, about how something may be said or what I look like or what the background has. Those are all accidental to the essence of the message. We are never going to solve this problem. We're never going to bring souls back to the Catholic faith until we deal with the problem at the essential level. And so this series is presented to you in 7 segments. They're shorter that way, so you can take the time to really consider what's being said. We also hope on this channel, Priests for the Restoration of Catholic Life, to present more material, some in the way of interviews with some of the priests, also more lectures, maybe even some videos that will show the beauty of the Mass and other things. There are a lot of channels that are doing things such as this. How are we different? We're different because we don't mind saying what needs to be said. In fact, our goal is to step on the feet of these men, to stamp them down, to destroy them, to destroy their ideologies, their heresies. It was St. Vincent Ferrer that said, when people complained that he was hitting too hard at the heretics, then let go of the heresy and you won't get hit. But as long as you cling to the heresy, we will hit. That's what men do. That's how men have always responded. And that's how men today need to respond. And we as men, as priests, will respond in this way. If you like what you're hearing, please pass it on. This needs to get out to as many faithful and hopefully priests and bishops. Because what we present here is not our own understanding, it is a Catholic truth. It is pure Catholic teaching. And so, with confidence and with a great desire that we all be renewed in our Catholic faith, we present this lecture to you.